Hi. Many CADmeister users often ask how to measure overall surface curvature and which commands can be used to detect and measure fillets. So in this video, we would like to introduce several useful commands in CADmeister software that can help user to measure surface curvature. But before we begin, let's quickly clarify the difference between radius and curvature, which is essential for understanding surface measurement.
Difference between radius and curvature? Radius. The distance from the center to a circle or arc, representing the actual size of a feature. Curvature. A quantitative value that indicates how sharply a curve or surface bends. Curvature is the reciprocal of the curvature radius. A higher curvature value corresponds to a sharper bend. CADmeister offers several commands for analyzing and measuring surface radius and curvature. In this video, we will introduce commands available in the Easy Measure tab. Commands in the System tab will be covered in Measure Surface Curvature Part 2, while additional alternative commands for curvature analysis will be introduced in Measure Surface Curvature Part 3. Now, let's begin with the first command. First command is the property command. This command can be measure only member surface with a constant radius. For this command, if you want to measure each member surface, it has a trick for measuring. User can do by hold the Shift key and left click at member surface. If that member surface is measurable radius value, it will appear in RValue field and will display temporary measurement result too. And another way to access the property command is through the pop-up menu. Simply right-click the selected member surface and choose Property. Next command is the MeasureRValue command. This command can be used for checks radius at any selected point on a member surface. The result is displayed temporarily on screen and also listed in RValue row. Also, this command can be used to measure multiple points on the target member surface simultaneously. The next command is Curvature command. Command Curvature can be used measures curvature and displays result as a color map, depend type of measurement method. And also, it's possible to measure at any point on surface. For measure curvature radius along both the U and V directions of the surface. Another useful command is CrvSrfRealtimeCheck. This command enables real-time surface curvature analysis. It dynamically displays cross-sectional curvature information at multiple positions on the composite surface. About result represent the curvature magnitude along each cross-section. By observing the continuity and variation of these curvature combs, users can evaluate the smoothness and quality of the surface transition. That's all for Measure Surface Curvature Part 1. In Part 2, we will introduce commands available in the System tab for additional surface curvature measurement and analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.